Hello guys, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. This video tutorial will be explaining about how to practice lines, types of lines using scribbling technique. Also, this will help art learners and beginners to understand types of lines as well as how to practice them. While you practicing this type of exercises, don't worry about the perfection of the drawing and the proportion of the picture. Our aim is to familiar with the types of lines and practice them. Here I am using a writing pencil, started with scribbling. There are different types of lines. I'm using curved lines and wavy lines here mostly to create rough sketch of the portrait. To draw this portrait, I didn't take any reference. Just I am started constructing the basic sketch using the scribbling technique. So I used writing pencil here. This kind of a practice will help you to remove the fear about the pencil and the paper. Also, you will get more familiarity with the types of lines and how to use it. And again here I am using little darker writing pencil, extra dark writing pencil, to make the sketch little darker. Also, this will help us to understand how the different pencils are working. If you understand your medium very well, drawing is very easy to practice. Also, I have decided the light direction of the light, which is falling on the face from my right side. I'm just imitating what I know about the portrait. Here you could notice I am not at all defining any perfect lines here. Very free hand drawing. You can just place the features on its place. When you try to observe the form and the images in an overall form, drawing is very much easy. So now here I started shading the darker portion. I'm not using any specific shading technique here. Just I'm scribbling. You may say that I know you are an artist, so that you can scribble any type of portrait or whatever may be. So every artist and is an amateur in the beginning. So try to create. So whatever you know about it, don't worry about the perfection now. So here our aim is to practice the lines and to give familiarity to the lines. Art is in language. Any language has alphabets to learn and practice. So here we are practicing very basic alphabet of art, that is element of art, lines. Take as much time possible, because don't rush up to get the result immediately. Now here I am trying to use a 2B drawing pencil, which is specially coming for drawing. So here I am trying to understand how the drawing pencil 2B is working. Again, emphasizing the shading area according to the direction of the light. You will come to know, you'll be learning later about the hatching or cross hatching technique. I think already I have posted a video on this hatching and cross hatching technique. So here trying to understand how the 2B pencil is working. Hairstyle is also defined now. Now here I'm using trying to using a 5B pencil to differentiate dark portion. 5B pencil is little smooth and darkness. It's giving darkness to the shading area. And most of my videos are very much helpful to the art learners and beginners. Already posted how to draw eyes and other drawing tutorials. So there are number of grades available in pencil. I'm using 5B now. There are 12B graphite sticks also available. So you could try using all type of pencil, how the pencils are working. Try understand them all. Later you could use it in a proper places. Wherever you want, you can use it in a proper way. So I have started shading the background also, negative spaces. I have a idea of drawing another figure nearby, a portrait nearby. Negative space is also very much important in the drawing. Here we'll be trying to create another portrait. I have no reference taken to draw this picture. Constructed the basics of the portrait. I would say not only the practice, you need to improve your observation skill. You need to observe any object or anything, any happenings around you. You need to observe it as a sponge. I would say 95% of observation is very much important to draw any picture. You have to keep observe things and other happenings, whatever happening around you. And here I just wanted to emphasize observing is very much different from seeing. Seeing is different from observation. Human brain will see the objects collectively. We won't observe it in detail. So for the purpose of drawing, we need to observe things in a detailed manner. So again, here we started shading the shaded portion according to the direction of the light. Light is falling on the object, on the portrait from my right side. So the shaded portion is on left side of the portrait. And here I'm using only the same pencil 5B. I didn't take any other pencil to draw. Once you understand the pencils and how much pressure you need to give to achieve particular value, dark or light value, you can use any pencil, any one particular pencil to differentiate light and shade. You will come to know how much pressure you have to give for the particular dark or light portion. Now here, to draw the second portrait, nearby the portrait, I used only 5B pencil. But don't go to the darkest or darker portion immediately. Slowly you can increase the value of the shading portion, light to dark. That means you have to give very less pressure in the beginning. Slowly you can increase the pressure of the pencil to make darker portion, to get value gradation to the drawing. This is just a scribbling practice, not to focus on proportions and other details. We are trying to understand the pencils, different type of pencils and types of lines. So this type of practice you can also practice without imitating any images. Just like that, you can scribble in a paper, on a paper. To make drawing practice interesting only, we have selected a portrait to practice. Any image, not only the portrait, any image, any imitating image, any image you can draw, whatever may be. So here almost we came to a end of the tutorial. Shaded everything. This picture may not look beautiful, and because we are not focused on any proportion and any beautiful aspect of drawing. This is to only practice. This will help you improve your confidence level in making of lines. All right. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet again with another tutorial. Thank you.